For the newer people who've just joined our team recently, every week when we hit a sales milestone, we're making a financial contribution and donation to the Shriners organization, and it's been very rewarding on multiple levels. We've had customers who have gone and made direct donations to Shriners, and our customers feel good about knowing that when they're investing in the VantagePoint software, they're also benefiting the Shriners organization. And you know what? That's a fantastic feeling when you can do something good for yourself, which is, for our customers, getting tools to help them be more successful and also helping others in the community. And it's just a win-win situation. For our company, it's very motivating for us because we're doing what we're going to do anyway. We're empowering traders, we're providing them tools, but we're also doing a great thing for those at the Shriners hospitals. And we've had a chance to meet several Shriners patients, and I had the pleasure of meeting Blaine and his daughter Savannah today. And they have been involved with Shriners for quite a while. In fact, I just found out that 2 years ago, Savannah was in a wheelchair. And today, she's walking around, it looks like there's no problem at all. Yeah. What a So that is a win, that's a huge success. So I asked if they would be kind enough to come and just share, just for a few minutes, a little bit about their story, what they've done, and what a difference we're making as a team for the Shriners organization, but not just for some organization that is faceless and nameless, but for people right here in our community. They live literally 8 minutes from our office. They live 8 minutes from our office. So we're at our office, in our building, generating buzz about Shriners and generating money that goes to Shriners, and 8 minutes away is somebody who is directly benefiting, and I think that's really awesome. So with that, Savannah and Blaine.
I'm Savannah, I'm 13, and I have brittle bones, so yeah, my bones break very easily, and I started getting infusions to help my help my bones get stronger, and it's definitely helped a lot. I haven't had a break in 3 years. And I used to have to get the infusions every 4 months for 3 days, but now I only have to go every 6 months for 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Shriners has definitely helped me a lot, and I just thank you guys for helping and supporting Shriners. It helps a lot.
Love you. I'm Savannah's father. So several years ago, she went through a series of very severe breaks where that started with a break with her femur and then her left hip. She had a hospital stay. She was in the middle of our living room in a body cast. We had to actually rent a special car to get her to the doctor's visits. And then after we got done with that, we're like, okay, we're good. Then she had more problems. She had kidney stones, and then she wound up breaking her right femur, and then she had to get rods in, and we were like, we don't know what to do. And then she started taking pomegranate, which is a drug that helps her bone density. It won't make her bones normal, but they make them stronger with her condition. And since she's been on pomegranate, she hasn't had a break, and that's all been available through Shriners. It's a very expensive drug, and Shriners gives that to us, and it's the reason why she's walking now. I mean, if you saw her 2 years ago, she was still in a wheelchair, and she's made just a great recovery, and it's been the Shriners and everything that they do for us. So we're very thankful, and thankful for you guys for giving.
And we had a special request. Savannah asked if she could paint with us today. So she's going to join us for painting, and we hope you have a great time. And since now that you know our office is just a few minutes away from the house, you guys are welcome to stop by anytime. We have breakfast every Friday, and we had breakfast and lunch today. So if you're ever hungry, stop by the office. We've got plenty of food.